Whoa! Alright, it's my first day in the Florida Keys. Yesterday I got to fish a couple hours, hooked up 2 fish, but I don't think they were tarpon. I also encountered an insane sawfish that was in super shallow water, which honestly is just the coolest thing ever for me. Right now I'm headed back to the tarpon grounds that I was at for a couple hours yesterday. I've got a live bait behind me. When I came back this way, I definitely scared a couple tarpon too, so maybe we'll get one as I'm trolling. We're head on over there. I got a chum block and more live bait today, so I'm pretty excited. I think today is gonna be the day. Been fishing since I was 3 years old. To me, tarpon are the ultimate pinnacle of what I want to catch. I've never actually caught one. I've caught like 2 little tiny ones, I guess, but I've never caught an actual big tarpon. And I would like nothing less than to knock that off the list here today. I drove 1,500 miles in about 30 hours, and I'm here to tangle with the monster 200-pound tarpon I saw yesterday. And yeah, I just want to knock that off of my list. I've always wanted to catch tarpon. I put in a bunch of effort. I've hooked them. I just have never actually landed a giant. It would just mean the absolute world to me to catch one today. So we'll see how it goes. Stick with me. Hopefully today is the day. I'm fishing. I got a live pinfish on this one, live pinfish on this one. I got a ton of current coming from offshore in right now. I think this is because of the full moon, but it feels a little sketchy. I'm kind of just letting this play out until it switches or goes out the other way. I know that tarpon feed pretty well when there's a lot of current, so I'm not going to totally discount that to catch one right now, but I barely made it across the bay and how much current there is, so I wouldn't really like to get pulled a mile from here currently, but yeah, we're going to play it out. I got a chum block. I'm going to wait until it's not quite so crazy to start putting that out. I got 12 live baits and I don't so. Okay, so there's this path that goes to the ocean. You can see the marker right here. I'm right in the middle of it. This is called Shark Channel, and got a couple of baits out behind me, and I'm just kind of cruising through. I can see an entire school, so hopefully something will happen. Sure, there's somewhere that's a lot more place. Getting a little desperate. Really, it's not at least 10 bets. I'll tie it off to the mangroves. I'm gonna try to get a couple of grunts from down here for bait. Go. I'm gonna put my other rods out real quick. My bigger rods. I've also got a chum bag. I should probably use that. While I try to get some bait, I'm gonna throw out this pinfish. Ah, nurse shark. Dang it. That is not what we're after. He's cool though. first real fish from Florida so far. They're sharks. We don't really have these guys in Texas, so as far as I'm concerned, pretty simple. Whoa, you bit through it. I'm gonna touch you. Whoa, he's really interesting feeling. Okay, so these mangroves, it goes all the way through right here. So I'm gonna pitch this little pinfish. Get a little better cast than that. I wanna get this pinfish in there pretty good. I actually saw a baby tarpon in here yesterday when I came by. So I'm hoping there's one in there. Alright, I was just fishing this little... Oh no, you can't go in there. I was just fishing this little under the mangrove waterway. I threw a pinfish in there and, what do you know, caught a tarpon. You're not very big, but very, very, very cool. First tarpon of the trip. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Dude, he's fat. Wow. Sweet! Tarpon! You're not a big guy, but he's a cute little guy. Whoa! How do you even do that? Whoa, look at you, bro! Dude! Got my little tarpon, reviving him. Look at how pretty that fish is. Woo! Yoo-hoo! Look at you go! I just saw some feeding fish up here about 50 yards. I got a real nice lively pinfish. I'm gonna put them out behind me and just kind of drag them along. Yeah, so I'm fishing the first spot that I fished when I first got here. The sawfish that I saw was right on this bank over here, right over there. I decided to come back to this spot because yesterday I saw like a 7-foot tarpon right here, like a 200-pound tarpon. Ooh, turtle right there. But yeah, hoping that I find that giant fish and hopefully she eats for me. That's the end of day 2 for me. I just had a barracuda jump with my last bait, probably like 20 pounds or something, slashed them all up. But I'm gonna troll on back to my truck and get some rest tonight. I've been going pretty hard.